हाय गाइस। सो आज हम सीखते हैं रायन के साथ कलर्स एंड शेप्स। सो आर यू रेडी रायन? Ryan, are you ready to learn shape?
Yeah.
And colors?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me first, which color is this?
Double.
Which color is
Yellow.
this? And which color is
Green.
this? Which color is this?
Ati.
Which color is
Purple.
this? And which color is this? Very good. Now make the shape. First we...
Circle.
Yeah. Which shape is this?
Circle.
Okay, let's make first circle. Okay, Mama roll it and you make the shape, okay?
Yeah.
This is the Playdoh.
Hey.
Okay, now make a circle. Press it hard. Yay! Now pick it up. Nice. And now see, which shape is this now?
Circle.
Circle. Wow, such a beautiful shape.
Dada.
You made it.
Dada.
What is this?
Circle.
Triangle. Which shape is this?
Toddlers.
And which color is this?
Yellow.
Okay, Mama roll it. Yeah.
Circle.
Are you having fun with the Play-Doh?
Circle.
Okay, now make a triangle. Press it hard. Yeah, little hard. Yay! Now pick it up. Wow! This done so well.
Deer.
Which shape is this?
Deer.
Which color?
Deer.
Green. Now make the green square. Press it hard. Yay! Now pick it up. Wow, this done so well. So nice. Which shape is this?
Deer.
Square. Yay!
Yeah.
Now which shape is this? Oval.
Apple.
Oval, yeah. And which color is this? Red?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Ryan will make the shape. Press it hard, little hard, with some energy. Yay! Very nice. Yay! Which shape is this?
Apple.
Oval. That is so nice. Well,
Star.
very good.
Star.
Now, which color is this?
Papa.
Purple. And which shape is this?
Star.
Star. Very nice. Make a star. Press it a little harder. Yay! Very nice. Now pick it up. Hey, yeah. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. This is so beautiful
Show me, star. Show me.
Yeah. Nice. Which color is
Fire.
this? Is white. Okay. And which shape is this?
Quack.
Grass.
Dash.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Press it hard. Yay! Now pick it up. Yay! This is such a nice cross. Put it there. Now one more time, tell me, which color is this?
Stop.
And which shape is this?
Stop. Daddy. Daddy. Apple. Daddy.
Wow! Now you can say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.